Hello guys, welcome to the channel. The OnePlus 6 was announced today for the Indian market, and we finally have the pricing details. The OnePlus 6 will retail in India for 34,999 rupees for the 6GB, 64GB model. The two other variants with 8GB RAM and 128GB internal storage will retail for 39,999 rupees. The Avengers Limited Edition version will have a configuration of 8GB RAM and 256GB internal storage, and will sell in India for 44,999 rupees. The latest offering by OnePlus has an improved camera, a new design, water resistance and a glass back. In addition to the traditional devices, OnePlus also announced the Avengers Limited Edition model for the Indian market. The OnePlus 6 has a 6.28-inch Full HD Plus display, and has an aspect ratio of 19:9. The device itself is powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 845 flagship SoC, and is the first smartphone in India to feature the processor. The device is paired with up to 8GB of RAM and offers internal storage of up to 256GB. The OnePlus 6 is outfitted with a vertical dual camera setup at the rear comprising on a 20-megapixel primary sensor and a 16-megapixel secondary sensor. The front-facing selfie camera has a 16-megapixel sensor. The OnePlus 6 also has optical image stabilization on the primary camera, and can also record videos up to 4K quality at 60 frames per second. It can also take 720p slow-motion videos at 480 frames per second. The latest addition to the new device is the feature of water resistance. OnePlus has finally made the device resistant to water and dust. Subscribe to the channel for technological and motoring information. Thank you.